There's no start, there's no lights, there's nothing. Walk around this Mini Cooper S Countryman, all four. Body's nice and clean. And the damage is this area here. Welcome guys, I'm Abdul, welcome to my channel. So this is a Mini Cooper S Countryman that we're going to be rebuilding. So guys, let's have a look into this damage. Wishbone's all bent, if you can see that's how that's all curved. Anti-roll bar's out of its place, if you can see that. And there's the anti-roll bar, tire's gone completely. It's not too bad. So that's the wing, the door, arch guard. If we just go around it, it's really good where the damage was. It was primarily on this side here. So it came from the Copart and it started, but there was not running. There's some suspension issues down there. The light here was broken, it's by then on, and there's some damage on this bonnet here. It's damaged. And it's gone into the door a little. It shook, but it was leaking. And this wing needs replacement. This bonnet and this side here, the tire's gone completely. So now the door's being pushed in here, and if you can see down there, that's why it was all mouldy. So, rest of the car looks good. It's all full, and I'd say it's got not too much bad damage. We're gonna start it up and see if it runs and how it sounds. Stay tuned, guys. The battery on these Mini Countrymans 2012 is tucked behind here. You have to take off the scuttle panel. It's held on with 3 10 mils. and then you have to remove this. I had to remove it anyway, and so I could slide it out, lifted it up this way and pulled it that way, and the battery is in, and it's completely dead. And we've tried to recharge it, it didn't charge, so it's kaput. Guys, if you could comment below, with the Audi and Mercedes, when the airbag goes off, usually you need a battery blow off switch. I don't know about the minis, so if anybody knows about minis, please comment below so you could help us out. Tab here's been broken, and one on this side, and one on this side. And this is by Xenon, so it must be very expensive. Let's get the part number from there and have a look at it. And on this side here, the bumper looks okay. Wing needs replacing, and there's a bonnet. And underneath is the suspension that we're gonna have to swap, and the airbags, from what I can see so far. But what we're gonna do now is we're gonna start it up, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it sounds well and it starts up.
Yeah.
For us, it comes with a mini book. It looks like it's had some service. It's got some receipts in there. So that service looks clean. And here's the service book. It's got 70,000 and it's got 3 stamps, so it's 22 at 35, and it's had one in 18, so it's about due a service. It's had all the airbags gone off. On this side here, the curtain airbag's gone off. The passenger side airbag, dashboard, is gone off. The steering wheel airbag is gone off. And as you can see, it was mouldy. There was a little patch up here, and maybe all the water was getting in and it got mouldy, and we've cleaned it out just for now, so it's, you know, you could get inside the car. And it's kind of nice, looks like it's been well looked after. And what we're going to need is a full airbag kit here. Also the seat belts, pre-tensioners on the seat belt look fine, but we're going to be swapping out the curtain airbag, dashboard, steering airbag, and getting rid of all the lights in here. Okay guys, let's see, moment of truth, if there's any spark. Oh yeah, I hear something's happened with jump start, so that battery is completely flat. So let's go turn it over and see what happens. There's the engine management light with these. It's got the key here. I've got my car running up there, so you put this in and you put the clutch in and hit the start button, hopefully. Oh yes, there we go. It's got some indicators on, but it's not got that engine management light on, so that's very good. It's got, wow, it's got half a tank. That's good to know. All the features down here. Steering feels like it's moving, but I don't want to play around with it. And it's making some sort of noise inside the dashboard. I don't know what the hell that is. Like a flap or something. Let's turn that on. Some sort of flap making a noise. And I think this is the home button. This is restraint system faulty. That's due to the airbag. Engine sounds really, really nice. Let's go on here. Yep. It seems okay. It's about due an oil change, so it's been probably off for about 6 months. So it's got a little tappity, but the engine pressure is really low. But as soon as we let go of any battery, it'll cut out. So guys, again, if you got any information for us on this, how this cuts out, please let us know. And that's it. Let's go inside and see what features it may have. Starting up again. airbag out in another episode, so please stay tuned. So the features this car comes with is it's got manual, got a lot of things here, auto wood, climatronics, it's got all these switches up here like an aeroplane. It's got the sat nav, there's no CD coming out, adaptive headlights, detail, so if you go here, it's got radio, it's got detail CD multiplayer, more settings in there. Guys, it's got a lot of stuff for such a small car, I must say. Let me go back, main menu, it's got your Bluetooth, telephone, note, no connection, so Bluetooth devices, add new device. Guys, it's really good so far. And navigation, not bad. It's come with a full tank. So thank you for watching this episode, guys. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned when we firstly gonna repair out the suspension side, get it moving, do the mechanics, and then we're going to move on into the inside and finally get in and do the body repairs and do a few little tweaks. Thank you for watching.